Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial video. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create a 3D model Fusion 360. So we are going to create this 3D model using the specified dimensions. Okay, so we are going to complete this exercise. Okay, so let's start. First of all, click on this create sketch. Now select the front plane. Next thing is we have to create this profile at a distance of 50. Okay, so let's create it, and its dia is 20. Its dia is 20 means this one and this one is of 20 dia, and 2x dia 35 means this outer, and this one is of 35 dia. So we are going to create a concentric circle here, and out of which one is of 35 and second one is of 20 dia. Okay, and we are going to create it at a distance of it's 50. Now it's 25. We are taking it as a origin, and again we will create another circle, concentric circle 35, and specify its dimension 20, and these both are horizontally aligned. This is aligned to this point, and these both are aligned to each other. Now this sketch is completely constrained, fully constrained. Now we have to create this tangent arc, so of radius 50, dia 100. So we are going to create a dia 100 circle. Okay, now we are going to make it tangent to this and tangent to this. Okay, now use trim, which has shortcut T, so we are using shortcut T for trim. And the next thing we are doing, right click, convert it to radius. Okay, now it is 50. Next thing is create a create a rectangle here, 45 by 10. Okay, so this one is 10 and this is 45. Okay, specify its location with respect to this, so it is 87 from this point. Specify the value 87, and it is horizontally 20 from this point. So select this and specify the value 20. Now it is fully constrained. Its length and width are already defined, and its vertical and horizontal dimension with respect to this is also now defined. Okay, next thing is create this 5 mm straight horizontal line on each side. Okay, 5, enter, 5, enter. Next thing is create a circle of tangent of radius 25, so the diameter will be 50. Similarly, dia 50. Now use this coincident, select the circle and select this point, so it will coincident with this point. And now use tangent, select this point and then this. So this circle is tangent to this circle and it is coincident from this point. Okay, now use trim tool. Okay, similarly coincidence, select circle, select the point. Now tangent, so select this one and select this one. Now use trim tool to trim this one. Okay, use this trim tool also. Now we have to trim this one, so select this one, this one. So you have your profile here. Okay, click on finish sketch. Now coming to home, now select extrude, select the profile. We are going to create a symmetric, and dimension is of full length, and its full length dimension or depth is 20. So specify the value 20. So overall depth is 20 and it is 10 mm in both sides from its center point. Okay, now what you have to do is create a slot or throughout slot of 10 in width and 35 in height. So click on sketch, select this profile, a plane, and then draw a rectangle from this edge. Okay, now specify its dimension, which is 10 in width, and in height it is 35. Okay, and it is 5 from the edges. So select, click on finish. Now select the extrude, select the close profile, and then extract it outside, so it will cut from the main body. Okay, so this way you can create this 3D model with specified dimensions. Okay, you can also use multiple methods, other methods, to create similar model using same drawings. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.